Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to block all adult websites on Google Chrome in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Nowadays, Google cares lots about us. It's taking care of our security. It's blocking adult sites. It's blocking bad contents. Google secures our day-to-day life. It's take care of our family and our child. Google Chrome has many security features, and we use one of these security features and block that adult content or bad sites on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. I am not using any external app or any external software or any external extension to block adult contents. We just use Google features and block that bad sites from our Windows 11, Windows 10 PC or laptop. So let's go. First, go to the Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, here we find three dots. Here we find top three dots. Click on this three dot. In this three dot, scroll down and find settings. Click on the settings. In settings, go to the here privacy and security. Go to the privacy and security. Here we find security. Click on the security. In security, scroll down and here we find select DNS provider. What is this DNS? DNS is something like a telephone directory. If any site, example as Google Chrome, is typed by you, it's not go to the directly to the Google Chrome. It's go to the your DNS provider and DNS provider search for Google, and in Google if they find the number of the Google IP address of the Google, and it's redirect you to the that IP address. That is the process of the internet, and Google provide us their DNS. In their DNS, they block that bad contents or the bad sites. Then your Google Chrome is not access that bad sites, and your child or your family is safe by this bad contents. That is the process of this DNS. Go to there. Here we find select DNS provider OS default. Go to here. OS default means the your IP address or your internet provider DNS server, and we are going to change to our Google DNS. That is very easy. Go to there and here we will find many DNS. These are DNS provided by the our Google. Use OpenDNS or Family Filter, Clean Browsing Family Printer. These two DNS are blocking bad contents or the adult sites on our PC, laptop or Google Chrome also. Click at here. Here we find clean browsing. Click at here and close our Google Chrome. Restart our Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome and check it's apply or not. Go to the settings once again. Go to the settings. Go here. We find three dots. Click on this three dot. Go to the settings. In settings, privacy and security. Security. Scroll down. And here we find our DNS provider is changed. It changed it to Clean Browsing Family Printer, and our all bad contents or bad sites are blocked on our Google Chrome. So guys, this is the simplest way to block bad sites on Google Chrome on in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.